It's finally over. Let me see something here. Got that deck to fit in there the right way. Look at that there. Yeah, that part. Open that back up. On the Quadzilla front, Quadzilla means 4. Bam. Like a glove. USB down below. We went ahead and gave him some more bounce to the ounce here. Dropped him Hertz that used to be on the lids. Put them took it from here, put them over there. Dropped him some more 6x9s up here for the vocal. Moved this up so he can still have bag space. Because he had a bunch of stuff that's in that bag liner that was in his bag. So I threw his most important things back in there. Looks to be a cover and a registration. I'm gonna let him sort out the rest. But let me see. Kickstand down. Let's drop him on the ground. It's a pretty little Road King here, you know. He call it rock steady. Okay, alright. So let's play. Let's go ahead.
What he said. Me and you time, we're gonna make some cash, robbing old folks and making the dash. They did the job, money came with ease, but one couldn't stop. It's like he had a disease. He robbed another and another, and a sister and a brother. Tried to rob a man who was a DT undercover. The cop grabbed his arm, he started acting erratic. He said, "Keep still, boy, no need for slap."
We'd like to welcome y'all to the fabulous Carolina West. I own this motherfucker, and my name is Y'all niggas know who I am, y'all niggas tan up. But we got something old and something new for y'all tonight. Put your hand together for Snoop Dogg and Dog, the Dog Pound, and the fabulous Dramatics.
It's like everywhere I look and everywhere I go, I'm here the motherfuckers trying to steal my flow, but it ain't no thing, cause see my nigga Coolio with me up on the game when I step through the door.
You know, some of these niggas is so deceptive, using my style like a contraceptive. I hope you get hurt, since you haven't learned. It's the knick-knack, paddywhack. I still got the biggest back, so put your gun away, run away, cause I'm back. Hit 'em up, get 'em up, split 'em up now. Tell me what's going on. It make me wanna holler, cause my dollars come in ozones. No for the break up, so take off your clothes and quit trying to spit at my...
One of my favorite songs.
Only God can judge me, that right? Only God, baby. Nobody else. All you other motherfuckers, get out my business. Ready? Perhaps I was blind to the facts. Stabbed in the back, I couldn't trust my own homies. Just a bunch of dirty rats. Will I succeed? Never know it from the weed. And hope it's focus, try to focus, but I can't see. And in my mind, I'm a blind man doing time. Look to my future, cause my past is all behind me. Is it a crime to fight for what is mine? Everybody's dying. Tell me what's the use in trying? I've been trapped since birth. Cautious, cause I'm cursed. And fantasies of my family in the earth. And they say it's the white man.
I roll up on him. I just be like, you know.
Only God can judge me, that right? Only God, baby. Nobody else. All you other motherfuckers, get out my business. Ready? Perhaps I was blind to the facts. Stabbed in the back, I couldn't trust my own homies. Just a bunch of dirty cats. Will I succeed? Never know it from the weed. And hope it's focus, try to focus, but I can't see. And in my mind, I'm a blind man doing time. Look to my future.
Money stereo installation. We installing all the time, baby. Yelling next. Who got some? Who wants some? Gotta go. Good night, y'all. Go. Hey, y'all. It's Rob from Money Stereo Installations, man. How you like this hard days in life, man?
I'm loving it.
You loving it? I know you had that one day you came through here with a mystery shifting problem, and we thought it was a clutch and a whole bunch of stuff, and it was just the bolts had backed out the rear. We were like, why is this thing not going on? So you was able to do that yourself without having to go to dealership? Yeah. So you saying you got skills like that?
I got mechanical skills.
You got mechanical skills. Once he located the problem got solved.
Yeah, ain't no harm in looking.
That's right. So today we upgraded him to the to a flip-up screen on the Dragonfly front end, the Quadzilla that is. So we had to do some manipulation and some other things, but we ain't gonna tell y'all about how we did it. But to get the deck to sit out at the proper depth, so everything you can see can open up right. Now Pioneer AVH 3500 also is Apple CarPlay available, and so you can run. You know, so you got your map right there, and you can talk to it. What we're gonna ask it? We're gonna say, take us to Rainier's gas station. We need some tires. And what it's gonna tell you?
Sure, Chevron.
Chevron. Okay. Maybe you gotta say it correctly. I was talking too much. You're doing too much information, but you can get there.
You gotta pronounce it right.
Pronounce it right. So Rainier's gas station. Where are you located at, my man?
Rainier Service Station, 1905 East Bayshore.
And what do you guys service?
We service almost everything, mainly tires. And, we repair tires, new tires, used tires, and U-Hauls.
Okay. Black owned. And he rent the U-Hauls, and you can drop your U-Hauls off there.
And brake service.
And brake service. So there you go, you guys. So you know where you're getting at if you're in the, down here in the East Bay. Not East Bay, the Peninsula. East Palo Alto, California. And this goes with every job we do around here. Let the world see what you see, man. You official now.
Big money, big money.
There you go, y'all. So what we did, he said he needed some little more bump in the system. So what we did was we manipulated some things and moved them down here and moved up here. And so now he got vocal gain, surround sound, and he got a little bit of bass he wanted right there. And he still got some space to do what he want to do.
I put my shirt in there.
You got a bag for him right here if you need so, man.
Okay,
they can come with a bag, baby. So yeah, so we out the door. We got an empty spot. Whoever got next, hey, we ready to go. We out. Early in the morning, still dew on the ground.